Assalamu alaikum everyone, and I'm back with another very interesting recipe, and this one is of naan. You can make it in the easiest way possible, so watch the recipe till the end and subscribe if you haven't yet done that. So I took a bowl. In it I added a cup of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a single teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of vegetable oil. You may also add butter, and then mixing all the things together until it produces a silky, smooth and lump-free mixture. This is how it should look. Adding in 1.5 cup of sifted flour, some black cumin seeds to lift up the taste, a teaspoon of baking powder, and then using our hand to mix the entire thing. Keep on mixing until it gives a crumbly texture, and by crumbly texture I mean something like that. In it I'm adding required amount of warm water. Warm water helps in keeping the naan really soft and spongy, so you should always go for warm water. Next step is to mix all the things together until it gives a soft dough. Our dough is ready, and in it I'm putting some vegetable oil and applying it all over our dough on both the sides. Covering it and keeping it to rest for some 30 to 40 minutes. After the resting process is over, remix it again and then take out some ball from the dough. First roll it out in your hand, and then you may use a rolling pin to give it that roti like shape, or better naan like shape. But I used my hand in this process and it took away all my patience. So you have to bear with the process. Until then, you comment down below if you have any better recipe of naan, and also comment down below what's the food you like to enjoy with naan. So yes, this is the most patientful process I was talking about. I tried to do all with my hand, and yes, it tasted my patience in a great way. After the rolling process is done, I applied some water using a brush on one side of the naan just to keep it moist and fluffy. Keeping the watery side aside down a pan, and then I started again to give the naan a better shape, and this time it looked really better. While you start seeing bubbles on one side of the naan, flip it and flip it again until it becomes golden brown, just like this. Just tell me, didn't you find this recipe really easy and interesting? You can make it anytime whenever there are guests at your home, or even for dinner and lunch. So like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again in the next video.